welcome back to our channel. At guys, nakuha ko guys sa Jiraiya's Death na views ay dito guys. Sobrang excited ako. Sabi to guys, kakuha tayo guys ng 806 which is 806 na views sa Jiraiya's Death. And ayun nga guys, malasang ulan dito sa Taguig. Ito guys, papakita ko guys. And guys, and please guys, subscribe, like this video, and hindi namin to guys maabot ng 20 subscribers na ang Ventura Vlog. At guys, please, nakuha ko guys na like din sa Jiraiya's Death ay 60 likes guys. Ayun na guys, short vlog lang to guys. Sinapir ko lang sa inyo guys na nakakuha tayong mataas na views sa Jiraiya's Death. Ayun na nga guys. And please subscribe, like, share this video, and comment down below